a very big shout out to post like Aditya. When I mean post like Aditya, I mean post like Aditya. So I found this fantastic guy on Facebook, and he dropped some questions that will make you sit and look. I'm like, One of the questions is on the board. So big shout out to post like Aditya. But now if we do an extension this way, this makes this X also. Reason being that the opposite sides of a four-sided looks more like a rectangle. But by the time we get X, we know whether it's a rectangle or a square, okay? But now we know this is X. Now remember, we have this as a right angle. Now, if from here to here is 4, yeah, that means the remaining here will be 6. So let's bring this triangle out. A triangle like this. This is 10, this is 4 plus X, and this is 6. All right, knowing this, obviously a right angle triangle. So we remember our Pythagorean theorem. Now remember Pythagorean theorem says hypotenuse square equals the opposite square plus adjacent square. That is on the one hand, that would take us too long to do. But if you remember my past videos, I talked of Pythagorean triple. Pythagorean triple is such that the right angle triangle has all its sides as whole numbers. This is a Pythagorean triple because if this is 100, if this is 10, I beg your pardon, if this is 10 and here is 6, here must be what? 8 by default. So if here is 8, subtract 4 from both sides, we have X to be what? 4. That was easy. So using Pythagorean triple, we don't need to do anything more. That's our final answer.